To use a TD Bank personal loan, start by determining your borrowing needs and checking your credit score, as this will affect the interest rate you qualify for. TD Bank offers personal loans with fixed interest rates and flexible repayment terms, making it easier to manage your debt. First, visit the TD Bank website or visit a local branch to apply for a personal loan. You will need to provide personal and financial information, including your income, employment history, and debt obligations. You can apply online, by phone, or in person, and the application process typically takes a few minutes to complete. Once you have submitted your application, TD Bank will review your creditworthiness and provide you with a loan offer, including the interest rate, loan amount, and repayment terms. If you accept the loan offer, the funds will be disbursed into your account, and you can use them to cover expenses such as debt consolidation, home improvements, or major purchases. To repay your TD Bank personal loan, you can set up automatic payments from your checking account, which will help you stay on track and avoid late fees. You can also make payments online, by phone, or by mail. It is essential to make timely payments to avoid damaging your credit score and to pay off the loan as quickly as possible to minimize interest charges. TD Bank also offers a range of tools and resources to help you manage your loan, including online account management and customer support. You can use these resources to track your loan balance, view your payment history, and make changes to your repayment plan if needed. Best practices for using a TD Bank personal loan include borrowing only what you need, making timely payments, and avoiding unnecessary fees. It is also essential to read and understand the loan agreement before signing, and to ask questions if you are unsure about any aspect of the loan. By following these steps and best practices, you can use a TD Bank personal loan to achieve your financial goals and improve your overall financial well-being. Remember to always borrow responsibly and to prioritize debt repayment to avoid financial difficulties.